Hi guys, today we will be checking out a cool set of gaming earbuds, made specially for gamers. I will be checking out the EKSA GT1 to see firsthand what it has to offer. On the exterior packaging, it looks really captivating and stylish, with key details like branding and model as well as product outlook displayed nicely on the packaging. Let's proceed to check out what is inside the product packaging. Inside the box, you will find one EKSA GT1 case that together houses two earbuds within it. Next out of the box will be the extra earbud tips. They have a total of 3 earbud tips type. One medium which is already fitted onto the earbuds in the casing, one small and one large, I can interchange into a size that fits me. A charging cable is also included in the packaging, for you to charge up the earphone case. They have a user menu provided inside too for understanding the product better. On first impressions, the EKSA GT1 earbud casing looks really modern, sleek and futuristic with its curved, stylishly designed body that accentuate elegance and class. From looking afar, I thought this was some kind of technology from the future. Many types of earbuds don't feature such futuristic casing designs. There is a dedicated slot for each left and right ear earbuds. It has cool LED indicating lights on the earbuds, and on the exterior sides of the GT1 casing. Just look at them slowly illuminate, and when the case is opened, they look really bold and striking. This is to suit the mantra of the theme, gaming, where people are constantly competing and challenging one another. Check out firsthand the looks of the earbuds themselves. I can see that the sizes are quite ergonomically shaped, to fit the ear curvature and shape so that gamers who use it can feel comfortable when using this thanks to the ergonomic shape and nimble earbud tips that feel soft. Did you know that the earbuds and the earbud case combined can provide up to 36 hours of usage time? The earbuds alone provide up to 6 hours of playtime, while the earbuds casing provide 30 hours of playtime, giving gamers and people who love to listen to music the option to use it for long usage time on a single full charge. Decent specification. The earbuds will activate immediately once they are removed from the casing. As you see, the blue LED indicating lights on the earbuds will start to blink rapidly, signaling it is ready to pair to your device. In my case, I will be using my smartphone to pair it over Bluetooth. Simply head over to your device's Bluetooth setting page, and select the GT1 earbuds to connect to. Connection should take under a minute to connect. Once done, the status will show connected and the earbuds are ready for use. Free control capabilities. With it, you have the option to control your music or videos and calls hands-free, like pause and play, with a single tap to control, or triple tap to activate your device's voice assistant. It has other control features too, like call controls, or even changing between music listening mode. Like music mode to provide strong audio performance with better clarity and bass, while gaming mode provides low latency sounds for better gaming performance and experience. Overall, I find the EKSA GT1 gaming earbuds a decent set of earbuds that offers a whole range of features that are fit for users to enjoy and be contented with. I love the option to interchange between gaming mode and music mode, so as to ensure a proper choice of selection between the modes. It also feels comfortable during use. If you want to know more about the EKSA GT1 earbuds, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.